Hi, I'm Cher Devey. I'm an independent IT consultant. Currently, I'm also a PhD researcher, and my focus is primarily on incident response, but looking at personal data incident response. I find the cyber incident planning and response course excellent for even somebody who has done response before, because it provides some very fundamental basic information which I think everybody should know. And I think that all companies should have people who are familiar with incident response, and the course is really, really relevant and perfect. Thank you very much.